Okay, Abigail, what does this say?
A.
What does that say?
P. I. D.
Spells. Say it louder.
Pig.
Good job. All right, let's try this one.
Oh, yeah. Okay, A.
What does that one say?
C. A. T. Spells cat.
Good job. All right, let's try this one.
Okay.
Okay, what is that one?
Okay.
Okay, what does that say?
H. A. T.
Spells. Say it again.
Ha.
Hat. Where do you wear a hat?
Ha.
On your head, that's right. All right, good job. Okay, let's try another one.
Another one. Spells one. Spells one. Spells one.
Okay, what does that one say?
A. S. U.
Say it louder.
U. S. Spells sun.
Spell sun, that's right.
Almost do it again.
Okay, one more.
One more.
What does that one say?
S. O. S. Spells fox.
Spells fox, that's right. And do another one? How about this one? What does that say?
A. B. B. Y. Spells Abby.
What does it spell?
Spells Abby.
Good job. Let's try this one. What does that one say?
M. O. M. Mom.
Spells mom, that's right. What does that one say?
A. D. A. D. Spells dad.
Dad, that's right. All right, let's try one that you have troubles with. What is that one?
D. O. D. Spells dad.
No, not dad.
Spells pig.
Not pig.
Dog.
Dog, that's right. Good job.
It's time to take a bath. That's turn. Are you sick? Are you sick?